Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you are looking for good quality drones on an optimal budget, and if its budget is under $20, then you are watching the right video. In this video, I have fixed the drones considering the quality, durability, demand, customer rating, and order, etc. I hope you like my drone reviews and you get the best quality drone you want. You may request that the video be watched in full, as the video is larger. All the links of the drones are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So, let's get started with the video. In number 5, the best drone is Vilead 4K drone. Considering its cheap price, quality, durability, customer rating, and customer demand, I have put this drone at number 5 on my list. Vilead 4K drone is an affordable mini drone with a camera that is great for a new user. It is equipped with features such as headless mode, altitude hold, 3-speed mode, and 1 key to take off and land. These are helpful features for beginners with direction and speed control. You can fly this quad indoors and outdoors. Both the quad and its controller are cool looking and well designed at this price point. Its body looks like a reptile, and its controller is very comfortable. That looks and feels like a PlayStation controller. Recently this drone price is $11.62. However, this drone has some main features are. The first thing you will notice is how small it is. It measures a mere 7.5 cm height and 5 cm weight and is barely the size of your hand. Surprisingly enough, despite its tiny toy-like appearance, it feels relatively well made and sturdy. The drone uses a detachable battery with an average life of 8 minutes. You will be glad to know that it does come with a backup battery. Also, you will get low battery notifications for both the controller and the drone will emit a beeping sound. And the latter will show its time to recharge the battery by blinking continuously. The secret is in its handy features, including the 1-key takeoff and landing and the altitude hold function. It doesn't get much simpler than that. Push a button for takeoff. Enable the altitude hold mode and the drone will stay at its current height until you figure out what to do next. Furthermore, the 3-speed adjustments and the headless mode feature are there to ensure a smooth, worry-free experience for all skill levels. If you ever feel like you're losing control, you can always turn to the emergency stop function for help. It will turn the drone off automatically. In number 4, the drone is Kedior X8SW Quadcopter camera drone. If you are looking for an affordable beginner's drone under $20 budget, then you want to consider the Kedior X8SW Quadcopter drone. This drone is a great beginner drone for one to get familiar with controls before moving up to a bigger and more expensive drone. It is an affordable drone with some good features such as 6-axis gyro, a well-designed RC controller, 2.4 GHz technology adopted for anti-interference, and the bright front LED light. Already this drone price is $12.99. In this drone some external feature is the drone boasts 4 rotors. In addition to the color-coded propellers, it also comes with LED lights. I love the flexible landing feet. Their curved design allows them to absorb quite a bit of impact in case of not so smooth landings. The Kedior comes fitted with a removable rechargeable battery, and you'll get up to 7 minutes of continuous flight time on a single charge, with recharge time being approximately 120 minutes. The 2.4 GHz low interference controller is ridiculously bulky and the controls aren't labeled at all. You're left to figure that one out for yourself. It comes with 3 speed modes, which makes it equally suitable for beginners and more advanced pilots. Also, it is fitted with 6-axis gyro technology, a stabilization system that adds a layer of flexibility and stability, ensuring that it performs stunts and sudden moves and recovers pretty quickly too. It can do cool mid-air flips and rolls, all with a push of a button. The most significant factor as far as ease of use goes, it has to be the so-called headless mode. It keeps the orientation fixed relative to the pilot, regardless of where the actual aircraft is facing. In number 3, the best drone is CEVENNESFE 4K dual camera drone. CEVENNESFE drone features with GPS positioning and altitude hold function, which is perfect for aerial photography. The 4K dual camera enables you to have further real-time images transmission images for fantastic video or picture taking, which is really a great flight combination. Moreover, it is fantastic with the functions of automatic return, headless mode, and one-button takeoff and landing. Now, this drone price is $16.89. In this drone some standard packaging are by dual camera switch, shooting front camera and the bottom camera can be controlled by remote control. Giving you a different perspective, the shooting range is greatly improved. This drone equipped with a 4K ultra clear wide-angle camera on the front and an HD camera on the bottom. The front camera can be manually controlled at 45 degrees freely. Supporting a freely switching perspective, the aerial photography range is wider. This drone has 3D rotary folding and flip folding design. Feels just right, even after several times. Folding can steal and stability during flight. This drone has 3.7 volts, 2000 mAh powerful battery. It serves a maximum of 20 minutes of flying time at one charge. In this drone support fixed altitude mode, control the aircraft to fly at a distance from the controller. 5 meters distance, turn on the following function. The aircraft can automatically follow. The air pressure fixed hover based on the image taken by the bottom camera. Calculate and positioning and hovering can effectively keep the aircraft stable during the flight. And number 2 the drone is KK8 Foldable Mini RC Drone. Considering its cheap price, quality, durability, customer rating, and customer demand, I have put this drone at number 2 on my list. KK8 is one of the most affordable drones for traveling purposes. It is the newest edition award-winning drone. Specifications: this drone. About 90 minutes charging time, about 15 minutes flight time, 3.7 volt, 800 mAh powerful battery. Recently this drone prices $17.67. The main feature of this drone is it has a sophisticated flight system and is equipped with a 2K HD camera, make the control easy to use, aerial photography is handy. 2K drones allow you to record in HD and record your every time with different angles, wonderful moments. Let you stay in focus and keep good memories. This drone has a real-time HD image transmission system. Connect to the aircraft Wi-Fi. You can achieve full control of flight and photography. By flight, the process can watch the high-definition images of the aerial photography of the aircraft and also facilitate your access to the surrounding environment. Line monitoring: the picture back is clear and true. This drone builds in 3.7 volt, 800 mAh powerful battery. The battery is more convenient to replace. The high-energy density lithium battery effectively increases the power consumption. Powerful with up to 15 minutes of flight time. With a stable hovering performance system, it is easy to use a remote control 360-degree tumbling stunt in the air. The continuous tumbling operation, then the aircraft automatically make adjustments and balance. This drone has a gesture photo and video option. During the flight, aim at the camera of the aircraft and make the corresponding gesture. The aircraft will be self-propelled. Dynamic recognition and intelligent response, support for identifying photos or videos. The new LIXIANG folding RC drone is top of my listing. This drone is a good beginner drone. It is small, light, foldable, and portable. It has a lot of features that you would like to see on a beginner drone. It has altitude hold to help stabilize it. It has multiple speeds. It is definitely smaller and lighter and a totally different type of drone than the fully featured Mavic. So the beginner can adjust their skill level. Already this drone price is $19.33. I think that, at that price, this drone is very powerful and effective. In this drone some outstanding features such as this drone built-in 3.7 volt, 1800 mAh powerful battery. About 120 minutes charging time, about 20 minutes flight time. The camera drone provides altitude hold, the drone's direction will be orientated to the direction of the pilot. One key takeoff and landing and emergency landing function. You can click on the following mode: the distance between aircraft and the current location of the controller is the benchmark. Where the controller move, where the aircraft fly. This camera has headless mode, altitude hold, and one key takeoff and landing for easier operation. No need to worry about orientation, and with a simple press on the button, your drone will rise to a height or land. The drones with camera for adults is equipped with 4K HD camera, which captures high-quality video and photos. Take things to new highs and enjoy a live video feed in high definition straight to your mobile device. This drone has a real-time HD image transmission system. You can achieve full control of flight and photography. By flight process can watch the high-definition images of the aerial photography. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.